Half of all New Zealand's used tyres are now being redirected away from landfills. Instead, they're helping to make cement, in what the Environment Minister calls the most significant announcement he'll make this term. And as Tom McRae found out, the Landmark Sustainability Project is also cutting greenhouse gas emissions.
Making cement is a dirty business that's just got a little cleaner. Half of the country's tyres will be shredded, brought to the Golden Bay cement factory near Whangarei and used as fuel.
There's no smoke, there's no smells because it consumes everything.
It's all thanks to what they call the hot dish. At 1200 degrees, it's a fire-breathing, tyre-burning monster. The world-leading technology, imported from Denmark, took 5 years of planning and 6 weeks to install. Every year, 6 million tyres end up as waste. This single project will use up to half of them. It will reduce coal use at the plant by 15%. That's cutting emissions here by 30,000 tonnes. The cement plant is the country's 5th largest carbon emitter. The reduction is the equivalent of removing 6,000 cars off the road.
Congratulations, everybody.
The Environment Minister says it's a double whammy.
This will be the biggest waste minimisation project I'm probably ever associated with. This is huge.
Our stockpile of old tyres is a major problem. Earlier this year, 160,000 of them were deliberately lit, causing toxic plumes of smoke to choke the residents of Amberley for days. Until now, there's been no relatively environmentally friendly way of disposing of them.
They're cleaner, for want of a better word. They may not appear it, but they are relative to coal.
The rubber left over finally has a life after hitting the road. Tom McRae, NewsHub.